my computer has some fan noise. So what we're going to do now is investigate further to see what it's doing. I'll just give you a quick demonstration to see how it changes as the fan speed changes. We can tell it's a CPU fan, which is on the, looks like the left-hand side. So what we'll do is we'll shut it down and see what's actually happening here. Now I've done all the screws, let's remove the cover. Okay, so we're inside. I'll just rotate it around to make it easier to see. There we go. I think we found the issue. So it looks like there's a piece of a bug shell stuck inside it. Remove that. Give it a quick blow and see if that makes a difference as well. See, a lot of the times when the fans make a lot of noise, there's generally something inside stuck rubbing against it. Sounds alright there. Sounds alright there. So let's put it all back together and see if that's fixed it. So that's all the screws back in. Let's give it a try. So far no noise. Put on auto fan. Not warm enough to do anything. Let's turn auto off here and just give them each a try. That's one side. And the next side. There you go, both fans are back to being silent. So if you're having a similar issue with your fans and it's making some noise, just take off the back, look at the fans, give them a clean, and hopefully that's the issue solved for you. Thanks for watching.